Hi, my name's Karen and today I'm going to be talking to you about Skin Doctor's InGrow Go. This is a pre and post wax treatment. It can be used when you're using a razor or epilator as well, but we're going to talk about it in a waxing content today. So Skin Doctor's InGrow Go, you'd use it a few days prior to your waxing treatment. You're going to pop it on, it's like a really watery lotion, so you're going to put it onto a cotton pad and wipe it over the desired area. So it can be used on underarms, bikini line, legs, it can be used on facial areas as well. And we're going to pop it on just with a dampened cotton pad after we get out of the shower. I'm going to make sure the area is fully dry and then we're going to wipe this over. And what it does is it starts to exfoliate internally the hair follicle. So it's starting to release the space around the hair so that when you go in for your wax, your hair is removed a lot quicker and it saves snapping from it as well. Then you can use it as a post-wax treatment and you're going to use this more continually for maybe up to a week after your wax. You're going to apply it in exactly the same way, so you're going to jump in the shower, dry down, pat down on the skin and make sure the area is fully dry before applying. Get your cotton pads, pop a little bit on. You want to kind of cover, imagine a 10p sat on your cotton pad itself and you want about that much. Then you're going to wipe it onto the area day after day, and what it does is it has a fourfold exfoliating ability. So what it's going to do is it penetrates into the hair follicle and it works on the inside out. And if you imagine like a whirlwind or a tornado, and it's going in circular motions up the hair follicle, so what it's doing is it's got AHAs and amino acids in which munch away at the dead skin. So inside that hair follicle, to us it looks tiny, but in there the hair's kind of squidged in. So what can sometimes happen is it folds back on itself and becomes ingrown. So what this does is it munches away at all the dead skin inside the follicle, so it gives that hair more room to move to prevent it from becoming ingrown. If you've got ingrown hairs already, you can still use this over the area. Because of the exfoliating properties, it will munch away at the seal where the hair is trapped to get into the follicle, so therefore will release the hair, and again giving it more room to grow and manoeuvre in between waxes. So it's a really good preventative treatment to use for ingrown hairs after your wax, and it's a really good treatment to use prior to your wax because it's going to actually release those dead skin cells within the follicle so that when you go in for your wax it's a lot less painful and the hairs come out a lot quicker.